Hello YouTube audience. I want to show off my best friend Wendy's 92 Dirt Devil MVP. As you see, MVP stands for maximum vacuum power. And it has it down here in the front. And this one actually has, well, there it is, 12 amps. It's kind of rare for an older model like this to have 12 amps. I know they started out with around 7. But this really is a nice machine. It's used mainly for the back porch where the pool table is and all the partying's done and everything. And so it needed some work, so I brought it and did some work, polished it out, replaced the headlight, cleaned it all up. There's a little rust tune to it. There's the back. Pretty normal. So I'll do a demonstration. Now the belt probably could use to be changed, but it just slips a little bit. We usually wait till it breaks and go ahead and change it. I think we've all had our hands in this thing, me and Wendy and her husband, probably a couple of our friends, but it's just another story to tell. So here we go. Really nice suction at the hose. This machine's been threatened to be thrown out I don't know how many times, but we just keep her going. I guess that's what we're gonna do. Till next time. See ya.